Remodeled welcoming 4-bedroom 2-bath home featuring split floor plan that boasts open concept with high and vaulted ceilings throughout. Drop lighting, new light fixtures, new flooring, new paint inside and out, perfect for entertaining. Spacious main bedroom has a beautiful walk-in closet, double vanity in the bathroom and a tile shower. Cute laundry room with additional storage, vinyl windows, covered carport, storage shed to keep all those tools and fenced-in backyard. Come see this home before it's gone.